Hey there everybody, this just arrived in the mail. Let's get it open and see what we got. It is the Highland Bowie knife by Rough Rider. Okay, let's get this open. Okay, there it is. It's got a nylon sheath, a little patch of leather there stitched on. It says Rough Rider. It's got a leather leg tie down. It's riveted down the sides here. It's got like a snap closure and then this little extra piece so you can pop it off easy with one hand. Got a little silica gel pack in there. Okay, it's in a piece of plastic, so let's get it out of the plastic. Okay, there it is. Okay, that came off easy enough. The blade looks a little dirty, like it needs cleaned up a little bit. But it almost looks like this is bead blasted on this edge here and in the blood groove and on the top swedge, which look how far that swedge goes, that false edge, all the way to there. That's freaking massive. See that? And it's the same on the other side. And then this is just kind of like brushed stainless steel with the bead blasting on the top and the bottom. That's kind of cool. It's got a huge finger choil there. Stainless steel hand guard. Black micarta handle scales. That's pretty nice. Stainless steel pommel on the bottom there. It's even got a little lanyard hole. It looks like brass and red handle scale liners. Wow, that looks really nice. It's Full-Tang, as you can see. And you can see the tang go through the top and the bottom there. It's got like this little finger cutout, which gives you like a nice grip. It seems like it fits my hand really well. It is smooth, but it actually feels pretty good in the hand. Like the edges are rounded pretty decent. It's got two big brass pins, which is quite nice. It also has the brass and the red liner accents up at the top there. This thing's pretty decent sized. Oh yeah, it says Rough Rider, RR Rough Rider on there. You can see that. Looks quite nice. I want to see if you can see that different texture on the blade there. Then this side says RR 1730 China. Because this is made in China. It's 440 stainless steel. It's about, what would I say it is? 3/16 thick maybe. Not quite a 1/4 inch thick, but it is pretty decent. The sheath is really thick nylon. Like this isn't as thin as some nylon sheaths out there. It's got a great big, like, looks like about a 4-inch belt loop on it, and it's on a D-ring dangler there. So that's cool. And then it has two straps here on the back, so you could put your belt through this and side carry it if you wanted to wear it across your lower back or on your side for horizontal carry. And it's pretty lightweight. And then it has a plastic insert down in there. Get that out of the way. And it looks like, I think that's leather on the two sides. Yeah, the two sides have leather. That way when the blade goes in, it goes between, like up against the leather there to protect the blade. That's pretty nice. And it looks like you can put this in either way. You could put it in this way, or you could put it in this way. So if you're left or right-handed. I actually prefer it this way. Let me get that down in there. Yep. Because I like to keep the strap on the side of the spine, which works perfect for me being right-handed. Looks super cool. Cannot complain about that. Okay. You're looking at about a 9-inch blade on the dot. Then you have the extra space there. It is about just a little ways past 16 inches overall. Maybe close to 16 and a half. And the handle that you actually hold on to there, it's a good almost 5 inches, 4 3/4. So you got a decent handle, a decent blade. I mean, if you want to count it all the way up to here, it's over 10 inches. Like, it's about, what would that be, about 10 3/4 if you take it clear to the hand guard. So definitely, that's a big knife. Okay, straight out of the box. Let's do a paper cut test and see how sharp this blade arrived. Got some printer paper here. Is that in there? Well, I would say that's pretty sharp. Yeah. Very sharp blade. All the way from here clear to the tip. Super sharp. You couldn't ask for better than that. Okay. That's about all I have for this review, this unboxing, because that's all it was. And what can I say about it? The worst thing about it is the nylon sheath, because a lot of people aren't big fans of nylon sheaths, but this one does seem to be a pretty quality one, so you could do a lot worse than this. It's actually pretty nice. Look at, even the strap is doubled up. It's like double thick in the strap here, so it's built to last. This is a good looking nylon sheath, and this is a nice heavy knife. It's a little tiny bit handle heavy, it feels like, which gives you that speed. So that's cool. It's the Highland Bowie from Rough Rider. It is Full-Tang. It's 440 stainless. It is made in China, but isn't everything nowadays, pretty much. I'm going to clean this blade up really quick so you can see what it looks like after it's been polished up a little bit. Okay, there it is. I just polished it up. You can see the difference between like the kind of like the satin stainless steel, and then kind of like the bead blast on the edge there, which looks kind of speckled. And a little bit of knife polish, and this thing looks like $1,000,000. Trying to help let you see that the best I can. It's very nice. It's like a little short sword. But that being said, I've seen this around on the internet for almost double what I paid for it. I got it at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and I paid $24.95 for it. So, for a Full-Tang Bowie knife, of this quality with a pretty decent sheath. You could do a heck of a lot worse than that. And it arrives razor sharp. And it just straight up looks good. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.